Good morning, everyone. This is Tonnydfashion. I would like to teach you the fastest way to cut a trouser. So, the measurement for our trouser is the length 39, the lap is 29.5, and our waist will be 42. So, this is the first thing I do. So now, measure, due to my trouser, the waist is 42, so I'm going to use 11 for my lap, for my crotches. So I'll draw a straight line. So on our waist, on our lap, we are going to measure 29 divided by 2. 29.5 divided by 2, which is 14.75. We mark that. Then we take out half inches here. So this is where our measurement will start. So we make this drawing this way. Then we take our measurement for the waist, which is 42. Then we have to add 1.5 to it. So from here, which is 12.75, we do the same thing here. Then we can draw a straight line from this point to this point. So that is where we are going to get our crotch. So we take half inches downward from here to here. Now we take 1 inch from this side. Make sure accurate like this. Then our end, we are going to make it 9. So from here, then our length for the trouser is 39. So we take 39, then we add 2 inches to it. And we draw a straight line so that we join it together here. So that is our front part. Then we have to cut the back part together with the front. So from here, we had 2.5 inch. Then we draw a straight line. We are going to extend it. So from our crotch here, we had 2.5 inch to our crotch, but we are going to take half inches downward. Then we draw the line from here to this point. Then our waist, which is 42, is here. Then we had 2.5 inch to our 42 to the length. Then from there we can draw a curve which goes straight to the back. Then we had 1.25 inch. So that 1.25 inch is what we are going to have all through. Then when you get to this place, we extend it here. So now we already did our front and back together. But how we are going to do it, which is going to make it easier and faster for us, is to just first of all trim it on the back. So we will first of all cut our back first on the material. we first of all cut our back on the material, then we now trim out our front part. So this is our front and this is our back. Now this is our material. We're using the rotary cutter to make it faster in cutting than using scissors. As you can see, we already cut our front, our back. So now we just trim out this. But for in case of the future, we might just cut it this way and fold it so that we can use it in the future. So this has already served as our front and back at the same time. So now we have to place the front on this portion so that we can be able to cut it out. So from here we can easily cut our front, which makes our work so easy and faster than usual. So in case of the future, we just write waist 42, length 39, and our lap 29.5. So that whenever we want to cut any trouser of this size, we don't need to stretch ourselves. We just need to place it on our clothes, and 5 minutes is done. So thank you, and stay tuned to see the outcome of the trouser.